So the promise of this video is to show you how to generate leads, lead generation tutorial. So what is a lead? I believe you already know what leads are, but if you don't know, leads are essentially people that can buy from you. They can buy your product or your services. So they are potential customers, and all businesses that have something to sell need leads. So if you know how to generate leads, you'll be making a lot of money. So I'm about to show you one of the ways that I generate leads either for myself or for my clients. Okay, so before we move ahead, if this is your first time of coming to my channel, subscribe right now, and smash the notification bell so that anytime I release videos around making money online, digital marketing, freelancing, information product and all that, especially all videos that I make that can help you make money online, you'll be the first person to hear about them. So subscribe and smash the notification bell, and also go write down right now if you want to learn lead generation and write lead generation. Yes, go write down and write lead generation. So without further ado, let's get right to it. So I'll just go to Gulu. So by Gulu, I believe you know what I mean. So I mean Google, right? So you go to Google, and inside Google, so you go to Google Map. Okay, the same Google Map that you might be familiar with. Now there are some important keys and terms that you must put in place for you to get leads. Abundant of them on Google. So the right keywords, position, niche, and location. This is very important if you want to generate leads. So let's put it like that. So position of the person you want to get their email address, the person you want to reach out to. So this is the position. Let's say the CEO. All right. So the next thing is niche. The niche is your industry. So let's say real estate. Okay. Then the next thing is the location. Now, talking of location, your location can be just about anything. It can be country location, it can be geographical location, it can be provincial location, it can be state, you can even go as low as city or town. You can mention a town. So meaning that you can actually go after, you can say USA or UK or Canada or Nigeria or Ghana or Kenya. You can also go right down, and also target states. Let's say Abuja or Lagos in Nigeria or your state. You can also target their capitals, Ibadan, use Ibadan as your location. I can also use, you can say I've already made a search before, so you can also target, you know, uh, a neighborhood in a state, in a country. So let's just search for that. So as you can see, these are companies, so they can target. Just go right down to maps. So just click on maps. Okay. So these are leads for you. So let's say the first one. Check out the first one. So what do you need? So you create a Google Sheets. Create a Google Sheet. So name it. So company name, position of contact, email address, phone number. So for company name, so the name of the company is Numero Homes, right? So you just put it like that. Copy this, and put it right here. So Numero Homes. So the next thing is position of contact. Let's say the CEO. So this is the website address. So just copy it. So you can also put this right there. So just put another column. So website. So put it like that. So let's drag this one further. Let's drag it forward. So position of contact, let's say the CEO. So the next thing is the number. So this is their number. So you can this is likely a WhatsApp number. So and it will be very easy for you to contact them. So the number. So In order to get their email address, let's copy that and then open their email address, their website name, their website address rather. So their website has loaded. So you can see they have some properties for sale. So you can find their email address. This is general email address, so that you can use to contact them. Just put it right here. Okay, so then the email address of contact number, email of contact. So in order for us to get the email of contact person, so let's go to the website again, and come to about us. So we'll find the details of the website, the company owner. So it looks like they do not have an about us. So there's nothing like that right here. So since we are looking out to generate the email address of the CEO, so the next thing you can do is to look at me. So this is the name of the company. So just copy it, copy the name of the company. So I believe, okay, this is an about us session. So let's read more and see. Awesome. So I believe they have an about us session. So this is the about them. So this is their CEO and GMD, and people that work for them. So you sometimes you might contact the CEO directly, or you can contact the right person, that's the decision maker. So let's say this person, customer service and corporate communication, media consultant, no. So we can go after the HR manager, right? Or you can also go after this lady, this woman, Omawumi Olalere, right? So since we now know her name, Omawumi Olalere, so how do we find her email address? Go to hunter.io. So don't use so let's use hunter.io instead. So the company, the email, the company domain name, let's search for that. As you can see, this is how their email address looks like, right? So info at, as you can see, customer care at, hello at. So another way that you can find their email address. So it seems that they do not have a kind of um, what do I call this? So you can just use the general email that we have, right? Like that one that we have, info at, So I believe someone important is going to receive your email. So then the number, so this is their phone number. I believe this is also a WhatsApp number you can use to pitch them on WhatsApp. Now, what are the services that you can pitch them? So that is how you will be able to generate, the leads like that. So this is for numero, so you can, go for another one. This is another real estate company. This one does not have a website. If you're a website designer, you can, offer it as a service. So also the website that we already have access to, which is this website. What are some stuff that you can offer these people that they can pay you for? Number one, they do not have any lead magnets, so that their visitor can download, in order to make it easy for them to leave their email address, right? They only say email, sign up to our newsletter. It can actually be generating leads, organically lead this way. Like, so all they have to do is just promise them something, promise the lead something. We call it lead magnet. It can be an ebook, it can be a checklist or something. So you can offer it to them if you're a content writer. Also, you can, let me see, you can offer to tell them that this about us session should not be done here, right? Should not be done here, because the more I try to, so I mean, because you should be able to help your clients, you should be able to help your potential clients. So offer services that can help them, offer actionable advice. Also, you can find you can do a kind of you can do an SEO analysis of their website, so for them to know if their website is fast. Sorry, there's a mistake in what I typed. DT metrics. Okay. So then we can like search for their website and see how fast it is. So it's another service you can actually offer them that you will. So if you need a video on how to offer them this service, you can get it right here or right here. I'm going to leave it, the link, so I can use to access the free video. So on this service, you can offer a service to optimize their website for them, right? So it's going to bring out the result in a moment. So as you can see, this is a details of their website. So the GT metrics grade is C, which means you can also offer them this service. So instead of A, so they should be aiming for an A GT metrics because they have a lot. The loading time is far too long. 4.4 seconds is too long. They will be losing, clients, potential clients. Even if they are running lead generation campaign, or they are running a Facebook ad or something, and they are sending traffic to their website, because of this loading time, so the bounce rate will be high. So and they will be losing customers. So there are so many things that you can offer them, so as a company, and they will be happy to hire you for it and then pay you for it. So that is how to generate leads, and that is how to find what kind of service they can need you for. So please stop complaining that I'm broke. Please do something about being broke. So if you get the service, you have the skill to serve businesses, to serve companies, to help them with their business, to help them generate more clients, more leads, more money. You also make money. It's a kind of you rub my back, I rub yours kind of scenario. So stop complaining that I don't have money. So there are stuff, I'm revealing stuff that can help you make money, and I hope you do something about it. So that is how to get leads on Google Map, and how to find the contact email address. You can also send them WhatsApp message. If you gain value in this video, please like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel, smash the notification bell, and I will see you in another video. Thank you very much.